Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Banjo here once again. Sorry. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys one of the basic tools and one of the best free tools that you could use to ride on and to get ahead of the market if you're into the marketing um space. If you're in the marketing space, basically, if you're into digital marketing, email marketing, or any other things that has to do with marketing, and you need to like generate leads and also to get to do some campaigns, this tool is going to be helping you, and also it is basically free. So now, without further ado, let's dig in, let's dive in, let's go straight to business. My name is Tobiloba Olubanjo once again. So if you're just joining us, kindly do us a big favor by tapping the subscribe button on YouTube channel, and kindly tap the post notifications to get notified whenever we upload beautiful content about crypto space and the entire tech space at large. So now, without let's dive in, let's go straight to the business. So now I'm going to be going to the pricing for you all to see what to see that free, and also what it entails and what it's all about. Now, as you can see, this is free. The free version, the email you can send is unlimited. The sales one you can do, the blogging, the content, blah blah blah, that's like that. Migration, and also it's basically free. Okay, the contact you're going to be getting is around 2,000 or so. So as you can see, these are the testimonies, and also you're going to be seeing testimonies. um this is the someone who was using on our active. I'm so crazy, I'm super impressed with the software, blah 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 blah. So I'm going to be logging into my account. I've got an account before, so you won't see me doing it. So just hold on. So this is how the inside of the platform looks like. You've got your account. Is I created my mail. You got your, you can change your language if you're not an English or something into English or basically. So, and the menu, you're gonna be seeing how you can upgrade your account, um funnel if you into funnel, or blah, 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 or create blogs or something like that. Now, if you're into funnel, this is how you do it. All you have to do is click on funnel. If you're into creating funnels, you're in need of something that you see. I've already created one, but if you're into creating one, I'm going to be creating another one for the sake of this video. So I'm just going to click on create, then I'm going to name it. Then you want to say click on create, then you name it. Do you want to sell? Do you want to beat an audience? But it's for the sake of, for some of my own reasons. I want you all to like choose build an audience, because when you've got your mail different list, and you can do some retargeting again, and or doing some e-marketing and messaging them, retargeting them for them to like to be able to like convert in the later end. So, but if you're clicking on sell, you can still do the same by doing. But I prefer building an audience, because when I've got their email, I still have an upper hand, like for them to retarget, for me to retarget them in the later and in case I've got another product. I want to sell basically. So if you want to run a evergreen webinar, you can also do that. And also anything basically. And the fun of this website is that it's so free. You can use it, you can do anything about it, and you can also use it as it's basically a great landing page and a great tool for marketing. And it has been a tool that has been of help for some years now. So that is all I can say about this website, and it's kind of a tool that you won't want to miss out on if you're into marketing. So that's all about this video, and until next time, peace out.